Why does it cost so much to fix my car? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So to help partially answer that question, I thought I'd just show you a couple of jobs that are in the shop right now. First of all, this is a Toyota Sienna with a head gasket issue, and I haven't even begun to get this fully torn apart. So there's a lot of labor involved. There's also a lot of tools that are required and a lot of experience and training. So it gets very expensive very fast. Here we have a Ford EcoBoost, and it's got some coolant leaks from some of the piping that goes to the turbos. Unfortunately, this vehicle is very difficult to get access to those things. So as you see, we've actually taken the cab off to get access to the engine. And this guy Ray here, he's one of the best, so he cost me a lot. So that's one of the reasons it costs you a lot to have your car fixed. And then here we have a Toyota Highlander with some misfires. And so we needed to remove the cylinder heads. But to get to those cylinder heads, we actually had to drop the engine out of the car. And as you can see, there's a lot of parts that have to come off to get to that. So I know it's very painful sometimes to pay for auto repair, but to get quality people to do quality work, it takes time, it takes training, and it takes skill. So that does cost a lot of money sometimes. Sorry, but that's what it is. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, smile even though you got to pay the bill. Safe travels and blessings to you.